Okay, this lab is all about an introduction to microscopy. So let's start by grabbing a microscope. And when we take a microscope out of the cabinet, first of all, we always want to grab it by the arm and then also support it by the base. 2 hands, please. I don't want to see any of this, for example. Don't ever do what I just showed you. All right, now we have our microscope. We're going to go put it on a bench and start looking at samples. Okay, now that we're done with our microscope, we want to make sure that we put it away correctly. So, number 1, the slide has already been removed from the stage and returned to the appropriate place. Not left on the bench, not left on the microscope. The slide has also been cleaned. So now let's get ready to put the microscope away. Let's go ahead and put these eyepieces together. Looking at the stage, we want to have the smallest objective in place, which on this student microscope is a 10x. So I'm going to rotate it to put the 10x. We want the stage to be all the way down. So use that coarse focus knob to put the stage all the way to the lowest position. We are now ready to turn the light all the way down and then unplug the microscope. Okay, when we put the microscope away, normally we would put the dust cover on it, but I'm going to leave it off for now just to show you the correct orientation. All right, so we have our microscope with cord, once again carrying it with 2 hands, and we're always going to put it in like this so that when the next person comes along, they can grab it by that arm and remove it easily. Please don't put it in with the arm facing towards the back of the cabinet. That makes it very difficult for the next user and runs the risk of dropping the microscope on the floor, which is the last thing we want.